Autistic girlfriend, explained by Ducks. Duck has a girlfriend. She's a little different. Not broken, just wired another way. Loud pond, too much for her. Too many ducks talking. Brain gets tired fast. Duck says, let's go party. She says, can we go home? Sometimes plans change suddenly, and that feels really hard for her. It's not that she doesn't care. She just needs quiet. Sometimes she doesn't text back. Not ignoring, just overwhelmed. Sometimes she says things very direct. No hidden meaning, just truth. Duck learns something. Love is not guessing games. Duck gives her space. She gives Duck honesty. No drama, no fake signals. Just real feelings, just clear words. She may not always show love the same way, but when she does, it's deep, very deep. Duck smiles, because different still means love, still a very good Ducks.